What's good, guys? We are out here at the Minefield 2.0 event, and rain has finally subsided, and we're gonna get a chance to do some flying. I was here last year, but I didn't feel like my skill set was really up to par last year. This year, I brought 5 quads with me, and we're gonna do some ripping. Got a cemetery over there. I mean, I'll try not to fly through it this year. And then, of course, we have the Minefield structure, which is pretty damn cool. So a lot of time left in the day, so we're gonna try to do whatever we can, try to find some lines. There's a lot of pilots, so anytime there's a lot of people at an event, gotta make sure everybody's not, you know, jumping on each other's channels. That could cause a lot of problems. So we'll see how this goes. Pretty excited. Let's get started. Okay, so Sky Fox has challenged me to some gaps, so we're gonna try to hit some gaps here. All right, Sky. We got a little one, big one, down one we're in. Okay, here we go. I mean, we got the tap down.
This is working right here.
Yeah, that's working.
This is not sticky though. You need this.
No,
to be
we
real
need that
sticky.
to be sticky. We need this like.
I mean, it does record.
Yeah. That's gonna work.
Is that gonna be too sticky?
You got it. No, that's gonna do it. This time's gonna work.
Attempt number 45. These are Blazer spinning at like 4,000 RPM. Woo! Put a sticker on top of the water tower, and we were able to hit all of the gaps successfully this time. So there's 3 really crazy gaps here that are just more, like you're never gonna flow through them, but we're able to get all the gaps. And we flew through the top of the towers since they now removed the glass from that, which I think that was pretty cool. So all in all, pretty happy. Nothing really flowy here. However, we are gonna go to a spot where I think it'll be a lot more flowy and more conventional. So we'll go over there.
There's stuff we can steal.
We're not stealing. Oh my God.
No,
Oh, yeah, that's not stealing. You can just take those. You just